We're in week number 3 of the Quarantine at Home with Me cooking series. Stay tuned, guys, because I'm cooking a delicious breakfast dish that I think your entire family will enjoy. Stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen. Welcome to the channel. I'm in the kitchen today cooking up another delicious dish for you guys as part of the At Home with Me quarantine cooking series. It's being hosted by the Sister Circle here on YouTube, and This and That with Denise Jordan and Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner are spearheading this At Home with Me cooking series, and they've invited the entire Sister Circle to participate. And so we are sharing with you guys what we're cooking while we are at home under the quarantine. And we're just using what we have in our pantry, in our fridge, just using up our ingredients and creating some delicious dishes that I think you guys will enjoy. Check out the playlist for the previous 2 weeks. They'll be down in my description box. Check out those playlists and get some cooking inspiration from all of the creators of the Sister Circle. Today, guys, I am cooking a breakfast dish, and I call it Breakfast Delight. Before I share with you the ingredients, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Karen, and this is a lifestyle channel. We enjoy cooking, cleaning, home decor, shopping hauls, occasionally a DIY. So if you enjoy that type of lifestyle content, I would love for us to stay connected. Hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, so you'll be one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. If you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. All right, guys, let me go ahead and share with you the ingredients for my Breakfast Delight. I've got 1 dozen eggs, some Oscar Mayer fully cooked bacon, sausage. This is Jimmy Dean sage sausage. I've got a green pepper. Whoops. I've got a green pepper that I can't seem to hold on to. Now you can also use onion in this recipe if you want, but my family doesn't like, I like onions, but they don't. So I'm not going to put onion in this recipe, but I am going to put in the green pepper because they're okay with that. I've got some salt, pepper, some garlic powder, and I will be putting in just a little bit of onion salt since I'm not using onion, just a little bit of that. I forgot to pull out my shredded cheddar cheese. I will be using some shredded cheddar cheese. You can also use shredded hashed brown potatoes in this dish, which is really, really good. I've tried that before. I'm just not using that today, but I'm going to be using some shredded cheddar cheese. All right, guys, so I've got all my ingredients going. I'm going to go ahead and get my sausage started in the pan and dice up my green pepper, and we're going to just jump right into this video. Okay, guys, I've divided the eggs. I put 6 in one dish and 6 in the other. One dish is going to contain the sausage and the other one is going to contain the bacon. I've cut up my green pepper and divided that, so half will go into one and the other half in the other. We'll add in our sausage, our bacon, our cheese, and our spices. All right, y'all, these are going into a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give these breakfast delights a try. One is made with bacon and one is made with sausage. And just to let you know that these will keep in the refrigerator for up to 1 week in an airtight container, and they'll keep in the freezer for up to 60 days in a freezer safe container or a freezer bag. So you can prep these in advance, make them in batches, and then put them in your freezer, and you'll have a quick breakfast in the morning. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and try the one with the bacon first. It's still kind of hot. So just so you can see, that one's got the bacon in it. Looks really good. Let's give it a try. It's nice and fluffy inside. All right, now let's try the one with the sausage. I'll let you look at that. So you see all that sausage in there? That looks real good. That's real good with that sage sausage. And like I said, you can put whatever vegetables you want in there, green peppers, red peppers, onions. And then if you want to make this without any meat, just make it like a vegetarian. Just omit the meat and make it with your veggies. And like I said, you can also put shredded potatoes in these. And what I do when I do mine is I take the shredded potatoes, put them in the muffin tin first, brown them a little bit in the oven, and then I pour the egg mixture on top and pop them back in the oven to finish the rest of the way. So you can, just experiment with different ingredients to see, whatever you and your family like, experiment with those. But these are really good. I think your family will enjoy them. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know if you've ever tried a dish like this before in the muffin tin. They're just like a bite-sized breakfast. So let me know if you're thinking about trying this breakfast delight. Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget, guys, to check out the playlist. I'll have that as well down in the description box. Check out the playlist so that you can see all of the creators and the delicious dishes that they prepared for this At Home With Me quarantine cooking series. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you as a part of the family over here. And again, thank you for watching. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.